Now, listen to me. And I'm not going to repeat myself. If you are sure that you did not poison this food, then eat it. Are you not my cook?
Yes, my king.
Good. I trusted you with my life and the life of my families. So eat the food.
You don't want to obey the king, isn't it? You don't want to eat the food. Nkem, eat this food. You don't want to. Guards, carry this food, force it. That meat,
No.
Force it into her mouth.
No, mother.
Now.
No, stop it. Mother, please.
Why are you saving her?
I'm not trying to save her. Listen, Nkem. You've been the one taking care of us all these years. Please, I don't want you to die for nothing. At least tell us the truth so that you don't die for nothing. I don't want to believe you actually poisoned this food.
Ha, my princess, do amo. I see am, you go lie. I see when you put am now. I see when you the poison am, You no get hard, you won't poison your king. You hard day for this show. In fact, you no get hard.
Oh, Belle.
Look at it, am.
Ha. No, don't beat her. Just leave her.
I trusted you so much with every fiber in my flesh. I did. Why? And I made you to be in charge of my feeding and that of my family. Why?
My king, I'm not an evil person.
So who made you do it?
I just want to know why you did what you did.
Why? Talk! Can't let him talk now. Are we not here listening to you? Talk!
Why did you do that?
I did it because this man here is a wicked man.
What?
Yes, I did it. I poisoned the food.
What?
I did it.
Why?
What did my father do to you that you wish him dead?
Start speaking. Start speaking. Nkendirim, how could you? How could you? Now speak. I am so disappointed in you.
Honestly, don't be disappointed in me, my princess. If you were in my shoes, you would have done worse.
Shut up!
And if there is anyone here who should be disappointed in, it's this wicked man here.
Shut up!
How dare you? Do you still remember that I'm the king of this kingdom? Who are you? Talk!
I'm that little girl. That little girl you have her father thrown into the prison. I grew up without a father. And my mother told me you allowed my father die in prison. And I've waited patiently for this day to avenge my father's death.
What is he talking about?
Who is your mother?
Ubondo is my mother.
What? Oh my God. Ubondo is your mother?
Yes, my queen.
But you told me you're an orphan.
Yes, I did.
You lied to us.
Now I remember. Isaac Akwarando. I'm sure your mother would not tell you the truth. How your father murdered his parents. Who would have been your grandparents today? She will not tell you the truth.
No, my king. My father did not murder anyone.
Shut up. Were you there when the incident took place?
Did he?
Answer.
Can you imagine yourself? Can you imagine how you have built such hatred for an innocent man like me? Your father brought about what happened to him.
Simple.
I know your mother cannot wait to feed you with the truth of how she feels now. That is, if she's still alive.
She's still alive, my king.
Hi.
That makes it easier. And that will be my only reason for allowing you now. so that you will go seek the truth. After which, I will release the full dose of punishment to you because you want me dead, the king of this kingdom. I will release the full dose of punishment to you. Guards, I don't want to behold her face again. Take her away!
Okay, you disappointed.
You get out of my sight!
Get out!
She wants me dead.
Wow. This food will be delicious. Sis, I hope I am partaking in this one. Yes.
As partaker of life or what? You're partaking of this one. I beg go. Just don't involve yourself here. This is for me alone. If you want your own food, you cook it yourself.
For you alone? Come on, sis. Remember, I am your younger sister.
Which is the reason you should be the one cooking for everybody as the baby of the house, not the other way around. Okay?
Come on, sis. But I can't start spending all my life in the kitchen while others are there slaying.
Really?
Yes.
Girlfriend, you must be on a dream island. So you better get ready because it's happening right before our faces. Okay? Get ready.
Can't.
You have to take the place of the cook pending when we get a professional cook. Last born.
Hey, God though. I didn't choose to be the last born of the house to suffer. Anyways, I am going right away to talk to Father about this. I am sure he will listen to me.
You better do because he listens to you as the last born of the house. Okay?
But I'm still going to eat this. I'm still going to eat this.
Please, can you leave? You're distracting me. Can you go?
Okay.
Don't worry. I'll call you. I will dish a little for you. Little.
What kept you in the kitchen for so long?
Really?
My friend, calm down and serve us food.
Father, please. You have to get a cook as soon as possible. I can't be doing this all the time. For goodness sake, I am a princess.
Princess indeed, my younger sister. You are. But don't forget, you are the baby of the house. And in the absence of the cook, you step in to do all the chores and also cook our food. So don't complain. What is that one with you about? Showcasing yourself when she's in the kitchen. Mom, that's our work.
Why is he written?
It's okay. Ure, baby. Yeah, it's okay. Huh?
I appreciate your effort for making sure there is food on our table.
Just serve the food. I'm making strong contacts to getting a new cook.
And the new cook will arrive very soon.
No,
Can
Father,
I ask?
I do not think that's a wise decision, you know. You want to get another cook so soon after the shock the previous one gave to us. It doesn't make sense. Why do you want to get another cook when Rena is here?
For you?
Yes, mother.
Look at you princesses. Look at the way you're showcasing yourselves. This is a palace. A cook is paramount. That is why we're all making arrangements to get one. So that the person takes over the cooking when we have peace in this house.
Mother, Biko, I don't care where they're bringing the cook from. My own is you people should investigate him properly. I don't want what happened previously to repeat itself again. I cannot take it. Me, I'm even scared.
Exactly my point. Because I'm really scared. Even this food, I don't even know. Like, I'm really scared. I don't know who to trust again.
As a food that should be cooking.
Me?
Yes.
When she's there. What's the work of Rena?
Then you're scared of eating her food.
It's okay.
Please finish the food for everybody to eat.
It's okay. You want a cook? I'm going to make one available as soon as possible.
Why can't you Rena continue the cooking?
You too, continue with the cooking.
Huh? Yes.
The next time you try to speak to me in that manner again, you wouldn't like the end. Can you people keep quiet? No, mother, let this be the last time. You better warn her. Why would I warn her? No, you warn her. You are the eldest. You should be the one cooking the food.
You'll be talking to me anyhow. If I say one thing, you'll be so angry.
It's okay.
And I will kill you immediately.
Please stop us.
They are not talkers. You talk back at me like that.
Your Highness, his name is Benji from Amagu village. He is the new cook I found.
What? Oh no. This. I was expecting a female and not this one.
I changed my mind.
Okay.
I was the one that instructed that he should get me a male cook, since the female ones have failed me. Yes, it was on my instruction to get a young and a vibrant young man that cooks well.
Webrunya. Oh no.
My queen.
Are you sure this one here can cook?
Perfectly well, my queen.
Ilinugo.
Yes, my queen.
Bianna, na, can you cook?
Sorry?
As a matter of fact, this is exactly the picture of the kind of man I have in mind. Yes.
Uzubo.
Young man, what is your name?
What is your name? Your name?
The king is asking my name.
Okay. My name is Benjamin, the son of late Chief Nleka from Amagu village. Congratulations.
Already?
Well,
You're congratulating yourself
Your Highness.
for being a cook.
Oh no.
Your Highness,
Yes.
please, I'm sorry. I supposed to let you know that he can barely hear unless you speak up a little.
Huh?
No, no, Your Highness, not like that. But my assurance that he can cook to your satisfaction.
He cooks well.
In fact, to your satisfaction, Your Highness.
Well, young man, you're welcome to my palace.
So, excuse me, sir.
You're welcome.
Baby, my son, you know I love you so much. As I told you earlier, your father and I were very, very good friends before he joined our ancestors. Now, I brought you in this palace so that you can be somebody. Yeah? The king is not just a brother, but a friend to me. So I don't want you to disappoint me.
Oh no,
My son.
I appreciate this. This is a golden opportunity. I will not disappoint you. I will not disappoint you.
I love that. Okay, so you have access to your work, yeah? So try to do your work in sincerity. Yeah? Try to do your work in sincerity. Yeah? I want to have a good break.
Oh no.
Your Highness.
You really have to get me a new cook, since this one barely hears.
Your Highness, apart from his hard hearing, I can beat my chest that you will still enjoy his cooking.
I know. But there's a problem here. I can't imagine myself working with Onyentike. Automatically, it means each time I want to pass a message to him, I have to shout. I don't need to shout.
I understand you, my king.
All right, meanwhile, he can stay here while you look for a new person. Okay?
Okay, my king.
Is that right? Thanks, Odusa.
Thank you, my king.
I appreciate.
Are you sure you are here to cook?
Excuse me.
I said, are you sure you are here to cook?
Are you talking to me?
No, I'm talking to your grandfather. Are you here to cook? Wait. I know you are here on a mission. And I will tell you what to be careful about you.
How old are you?
It's like you're mad. So you don't know your mate, Abi. I'm not your mate, though. I senior you. You don't know your elders. Don't try it next time.
See, that I don't beat kids. Abromaka, your type. Are you listening to me? Who are you? Learn how to mind your business, else I'll kick you like football.
You cannot kick me like football because I came in this palace before you. You didn't hear me. You cannot do it.
Are you Igwe's son? Huh? When you go to bed? Impression I carry my family.
My sisters, the new cook is here.
What do you mean?
The cook, he's in the kitchen. Go see for yourself.
Cook?
The cook.
Well, let's go and see for ourselves.
Really?
Are you serious?
Yes.
Your Majesty, you should have told me when you changed your mind about bringing in a female cook.
I'm very sorry, my love. It's just that I can't withstand to fall into the trap of another vicious and adulterous lady again. I can't withstand it. Yes.
My love, a male cook is a no-no for me. This one you brought already. He has to leave immediately.
It's okay. That won't be a problem. I've already discussed with Uno to get us another cook. But for now, this one stays. Please, until we get another.
If he has to stay, pending when Uno will bring another cook for us, we'll have to immediately run a background check on him. As to know who we are living with. You cannot bring in a complete stranger and impose him on us. What is that?
Consider it done, Your Majesty.
Okay, as for the errand boy,
yes,
we'll have to consider sending him back to school immediately. Keeping him here is to just run errands for us, report events to us, gossip to us. Does not make any sense. That will be tantamount to child abuse. He's just a little boy. Let's send him back to school. You know he does not have parents. Let us assume that responsibility in his life completely. Let us be his parents.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm very, very fine. Is that right? Tell your son to visit me in my palace. Yes. I've not seen him for a while now. Extend my greetings to your family, your wife. Bye.
Iwe.
What is it?
Iwe.
What is it?
Iwe. I'm here to leak a secret for you. I mean, a top secret against this palace.
What is the secret all about?
If anybody that brought that Benji, the new cook, does not mean well for this royal family. That boy is on a mission in this palace.
Are you out of your mind?
I'm not out of my mind. That with my senses, you gonna know what I'm saying. Remember that brother Benji here does not mean good for this royal family.
Now get out of my sight. Get out of my sight.
Hey, you will consider.
Are you still standing there?
Sorry.
Squeeze you.
You will know what I'm saying. My guy. What's up?
I better.
This is where you go like that. I don't see him. I bring him out.
Hide what? See what? What do you mean?
Bring him out. I don't see him. No need to hide them.
Bring what out? What do you mean?
I go catch you. No say there's smell for this palace. Bring him out, Joe.
Obele.
That we do, you can't bring him out. I make I tell you what I see.
Obele, you know you're my ally. Eh? Please don't tell anybody. I promise to be protecting you in this palace. Okay?
See, okay, my guy, I don't need your protection. I can protect myself, and I can even protect you. So I don't need your protection. The only problem I have in this palace is that new cook, Benji. I want you to keep your eyes on him.
Benji, that new cook?
He's here on a mission.
Don't worry. I'm going to even strangle him if he tries anything.
I don't say make you strangle anybody. I say make you keep your eyes on him and leave the rest for me. You hear him?
Don't worry. I'm going to keep my eyes on him.
Okay, no problem. Bring him out first.
Obele, forget this one. No, this is not for children like you.
Bring that thing out. Show me you won't collect. Why you can't insult me now? You know how old I am? I can burn your father self. Come and bring that thing out.
Obele, forget this one.
I go cast you. I go cast you.
Obele.
Give me. Give me. Give me that. Nonsense. Straight you this move. I'm going to melt your heart.
Well,
Daddy, my dad, come. Confess, make I ask you.
Come, you little boy, I need a call like that. What do you want?
Sis, come on, God, though. You know, say that me be the palace messenger for you. I dey ask you question, you dey lose guard. Shebi you won't collect.
You mean the palace errand boy?
You go call her anything when you won't collect. That guy wait there for kitchen. Who will be and who bring her come?
I mean, they ask that question.
No. Now I start you at the ask. I dey ask you question, answer me.
Come, you little boy. You know where he is. When you see him, you can ask him that, okay?
Let me talk. Just one thing why they ask you, you don't lose guard like say now you be the chief guard. Come on, guard. Come on, guard. I mean, chief. Nonsense. This small boy why I bring up. It's like, I don't know. If I push you come out for this palace now, they go say I don't do bad. See boy why I bring come.
My friend, come here. I said come here! Is it that he didn't hear me? Is it that you didn't hear when I said you should come here?
He's talking to you.
I'm talking to you.
It's okay.
Who are you?
Hold it, girls. Listen to me. I think it's my fault. His name is Benjamin. He's our new cook.
Please cry.
Although I'm making arrangement for a replacement for now, he is our cook. Okay?
Is that why you didn't want to answer the question? My friend, answer the question! She asked, who are you?
Oh.
Undertake dummy. Excuse me?
Please, you girls should forgive him. He has a problem of the ears.
Huh?
He
What?
can hardly hear.
What?
He has impaired hearing.
Mommy, you guys brought in a deaf person here.
He is not deaf. He has impaired hearing. That means he can hear, but when you want to talk to him, raise your voice a little.
But mother, is that why he can't answer a simple question?
Because he didn't hear you. Please, he said you should tell them your name. Tell them your name.
Oh.
Yes.
My name is, greetings, Your Majesties. My name is Benjamin, the only surviving son of late Ichie Leka of Amago Kingdom. Congratulations.
Why are you congratulating? Please just go. Go! I don't know why you're congratulating us.
Please, you have to forgive him for now. Like I said, I'm making plans for replacement. Just that he's a wonderful cook.
Daddy, that guy is a joker. Can you keep quiet?
Well, you shouldn't have gone. You should have
deaf and dumb. Do you understand?
Test the food first.
But you shouldn't have gone for a deaf.
I don't want to get deaf.
He's only deaf. He's not dumb.
Yeah.
I don't want to be deaf.
He looks
Gozeka.
dumb too. My friend, be careful.
Calm down! Why are you like this?
It's just a mistake.
Shut up! Benjamin, it's okay,
It's okay. Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand.
Sorry.
Why are you like this? Is that why you smacked him like that? It was a mistake. Look at the way you hit him. And that is the ear that is even bending him more. Hi.
Mommy, can't you see my body?
Will you shut up? Sit down and eat this food.
Sit! If you don't want to eat it, go and make your food.
Go ahead and serve. Serve others.
Just go. Let them. Nobody is serving anybody again. Serve yourselves.
Mom?
Serve yourself. Get your butt up from there. Come and serve yourself. What is that?
It's better you guys tell us you want to serve
Okay.
us.
What was that?
Oh my goodness. Where did they bring that clown from?
To think he's good looking and one can literally mistaken him for a perfect gentleman, not knowing he's such a big bloody clown.
There is nothing good about him. Stark illiterate. That is who he is. I don't know where mom and dad brought that guy from. Did you see the way he speaks? God bless you or what?
Oh, come on, girls. You people should not kill this guy. He's still a human being. And I must confess, his food is fantastic.
Yeah, you're right. His food is good. That I even forgot he's the one that prepared it.
Please.
Despite the fact that I slapped him. I think that guy is annoying, but he's good. His food is good.
There is nothing fantastic about his food. Yes, we've had better food than that. Yes, that's the truth. Please, people should stop giving him all that credit. He doesn't deserve it. That is ugly monkey looking face.
Ngozika, please stop.
Cheers now.
I'm in a hurry.
Honestly, that boy can cook.
My love. Honestly, I am telling you. I am amazed how a young man like that, can cook that good.
Honestly, Onowu was right. He was right when he told me not to conclude that I should test the boy's food first. He was completely correct.
Do you know he even cooks better than our former cook? That witch of a girl. That wicked girl.
No. That's too vulgar. You're too vulgar for her.
What do you want me to call her?
She's not a witch. Just that she was misled.
Whatever.
Huh? Anybody can do fine. Just like this boy now, he's very excellent. So she too can be good. Don't call her a witch next time, okay?
This one, you're trying to promote him. Paint him as like the best. Are you suggesting we keep him?
Are you suggesting otherwise? Don't pretend, just say the truth.
Hey, my brother, have you had the Have you heard about the latest palace cuckoo? His name is Benji the cuckoo dyer. He's calling there for kitchen and bottle. Hey, my brother, have you had the Have you heard about the latest palace cuckoo? His name is Benji the cuckoo dyer. He's calling there for kitchen and bottle.
I cannot sleep if I do not taste Benji's soup again. That boy. I can't wait till morning. No way.
If you chop his food, if I met them, if I see Bentley, Benji the palace cuckoo. Hey, my brother, have you heard the Have you heard about the latest palace cook?
I don't know which of you is telling the truth.
See, my queen, you know me too well for this palace. Now I be messenger. I know they get problem with anybody. The one will happen now they talk. I don't they like. This brother entered my room last night. I tell him you come up for me. Say now only me get this room. But I don't even agree with me. He said instead of him to come up for my room, he tie me put for wardrobe. He good.
Me? Your Majesty, if I touch this baby boy, it's child abuse. I did not touch him. I cannot touch him. What will I gain if I touch him? I swear. Magachubu, he is lying. This is child abuse now. Why will I touch him?
It's okay. Let me handle it.
Oh, it's painful because when he did not do anything.
No, don't cry. It hasn't come to that.
Oh Lord, this brother they cry, oh, this brother they lie. You go they lie, you go they cry on top.
Will you shut up? Shut up! I don't even know the business you have here. You have to go back to school. What are you doing here? Errand boy, Olu. I have told you countless times. Respect and know how to talk to your elders. Even talk to him politely. Like that thing you're explaining that happened. You could have had the better way of handling it. I'm being this naughty.
I don't do anything to Anna.
You shut up. Let this be the first and last time this issue will be raised in this palace. Did you hear me?
Yes,
respect him. Where do you think you're going?
Your Highness, please.
Come and apologize to him.
No.
I said now, right now, apologize to him. Apologize to him. You want me to hit you?
I did sorry.
You're too beautiful for this dress. Let him go. I believe it's adolescent stage.
Who is adolescent?
When he grows up, he will...
This one will grow.
If you touch him, it's child abuse. Then we arrest him first. Thank you.
You should have had a little respect for yourself.
What kind of respect do you expect? What kind of respect do I need for what I want? No matter how you want to see it, that boy cooks nice and his food is fine. What do you think?
Is that why you should shower that level of praises on him? Right before me. He's a commoner for crying out loud.
I know. No doubt about that. He's a commoner. But that doesn't stop his food from being nice.
If you care, he seems to be having issues with Obele. It's high time we returned that boy to school. I am dead serious about it this time around. That boy, that little boy does not have one atom of respect or regard in him. What do you expect of a boy raised in the street? Return him to school immediately. Excuse me.
His name is Benji. Benji the cook daya. He's calling them for kitchen and pot. Hey, my brother, have you had the Have you heard about the latest palace cook? His name is Benji. Benji the cook daya. He's calling them for kitchen and pot. If you chop his food,
And what took you so long? Because I've been waiting.
I'm sorry, my princess.
Sorry for yourself. Open the plate. Let me see the rubbish you prepared. Wait.
How many eggs did you use in making these noodles?
2 eggs.
You must be out of your mind. No, you must be mad!
Mad?
Are you mad? You can't hear or what? Why will you use 2 eggs to make my noodles? No, I look like I came from some poverty-infested background or something? Listen to me, I eat 4 eggs. What did I say?
4 eggs.
Rubbish.
I'm sorry.
Come back here. Let me even test the nonsense you cooked. Oh my God, you want to kill me?
Your Majesty.
Why did you use so much salt on these noodles? No, why did you use all the salt in the world on these noodles?
No, I did not use any salt on it. I just added the seasoning I saw inside the
You must be mad for that answer. No, you must be out of your mind. Aren't you supposed to be a professional cook?
I'm sorry.
Are you not supposed to be a professional cook? Now leave my side. Just go. You're supposed to be a professional cook. What happened?
I'm sorry, man.
No, just go. Just go. Just go.
Hey, my brother, have you heard Have you heard about the latest palace cuckoo? His name is Benji. Benji the cuckoo daya. He's calling them for kitchen and pot. Hey, my brother, have you heard Have you heard about the latest palace cuckoo? His name is Benji. Benji the cuckoo daya. He's calling them for kitchen and pot. If you chop his food, if on a metal, if on a si benisia me chaka, Benji na husband material. If you chop his food, if on a metal, if on a si benisia la chafala.
The juice is here, my princess.
So, I should stop clapping for you, Akoya? Is that what you mean? Let me have it. Come back here. Why is this juice not cold? Is there no ice in this house?
I don't understand that.
What don't you understand? Is there not a refrigerator in this palace?
There is fridge in the palace.
Then you must be stupid.
Excuse me.
You must be very stupid to serve me a hot juice. How dare you? Go and get me proper juice immediately.
Thank you, my princess. Please, I'm so sorry, my princess.
Can you imagine? Who brought this boy to this place? What kind of human being is this? Serving me a hot juice? Not your fault.
Your Highness.
And whose undies are these?
It's your sister's undies. What's her name? Princess Ify.
I asked you to wash my clothes, and you had the guts, the impetuous, to leave my clothes for another. How dare you!
No, your princess. I've washed all the clothes you brought, except the ones you brought.
It's the guts for me! Will you shut up your mouth? How dare you! You idiot! Are you serious? you, next time I, Ngosika, ask you to do something, make sure to do it. Did you hear me? I know you're deaf. Now, did you hear me? It's your moron, stupid thing. Sorry for yourself. Sorry for your stupid self. Low life, low class idiot. Try me. I gave you 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. Okay, let me just make it 5. If you don't finish washing all these clothes and I get back here, I will use this to skin your life.
I'm sorry.
Fool! Bastard!
You shouldn't have given him your own days to wash. What happened to you doing that one yourself?
Mother, there is nothing wrong with him washing my clothes.
His primary duty in this palace is to cook for the royal house. And that was why he was brought. Don't forget that.
Wait, Mom. Are you trying to say that his only duties in this house is just to cook? Then who will do the remaining house chores? No! He will have to do everything, including washing my clothes. I don't see anything wrong with that.
Ngosika, we're not talking about washing clothes here. It's talking about you asking him to wash your undies. That one is supposed to be private. Something you wear inside of your body. You give a man to wash? Come on.
Mother, I don't see anything wrong in him washing my undies. There is nothing special. Anybody can wash my undies. I will even give my husband my undies to wash. Even when I'm on my period, I will do that. Yes, so, ha!
I won't give your father my own to wash. Mine is dignified.
Mother, old school. That's olden days style. Now we're in the 90s. Everything has changed. Yes, so he will wash it.
Just take it easy with this boy. You know his problem. With his impaired hearing and him not understanding what you're saying at every point in time. Leave him alone. He's trying to acclimatize to the way things are done in this palace. Are you coming to muzzle him around? That will complicate his life the more. Take it easy. Be patient with him. Please, I beg you.
I've heard you, Mom. But there's nothing wrong in him doing any of those things. But as you said, I've heard you. I will think about it.
Hello, Mr. Benjamin. My name is Urena. I am the last child of my parents. I must confess, you're a wonderful cook. You're a very good cook. You're not saying anything to me? Don't you think it's high time you said thank you? Oh, I forgot. Sorry. I said you're a wonderful cook.
Oh, thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you, Your Majesty.
No, Urena. My name is Urena.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. I notice you have an unusual way of talking. Don't worry. I will help you improve in that, okay?
Thank you, sorry, Urena.
Yes, Urena. I was bored inside. I came to help you wash
Excuse
some.
me?
I was bored inside. Yes, I came to help you wash dishes, then learn 1 or 2 from you.
Sorry?
I was bored inside. I came to help you wash some dishes, then learn 1 or 2 from you. You know you're a wonderful cook.
Wife material. 1,000 words. Alright, Your Majesty. Sorry, Urena. I will be preparing banga soup this afternoon.
Okay.
Rice and banga stew. So while doing that, I will call you so that you can learn one or two.
Wonderful. Fantastic. Okay, let me help you wash the dishes. Then, while you do other things. Okay?
Wife material.
It's okay.
My brother, have you heard Have you heard about the latest palace cook? His name is Benji. Benji the cook Daya. He's calling them for kitchen.
Oh. So this is where you are? Eh? Now listen. I'm done cooking in the kitchen. So go in there and clear all the mess. Did you hear me?
Excuse me, ma'am.
I said go in there and clear all the mess. Deaf monkey.
Okay,
I don't want to repeat myself.
Right, Your Majesty.
Brother, I'm hungry. Come and give food.
Yeah. This is the 11th time you are eating today. Is today your birthday?
Come and give me food there. I'm hungry because...
I'm tired of feeding you.
Better come and give me food now.
There is no food. Is it your birthday?
Let me not say it 2 times.
Why would
Go in, because...
11th, this is the 11th one. Are you book enough?
Better come and give me food.
Ingredients, ma'am.
Come and give me food, Betty.